guys, good morning. Oh, it's a cloudy. There's a sun, but it's not too bright right now. Time to go to the other house to feed Coco, and we will be going to the hospital as well again to check Kuya if he's already okay and is ready to check out. I don't know. Oh my God, he needs me. Coco ni ay Uno needs me for a bet. He needs me for a bet. Wait guys, I gonna clean the sausage.
Good morning, guys.
I'm gonna clean the sausage. Tayo ng santol.
Manong Lito, nagumata ka na! Labaw! Talo man eh!
Oh, santol mo.
Eksakto mo sa gaso. Madam.
Oh, santol mo. Ayun na. Itsura na. Ah, mano pa naglakong.
30.
Pagsigang ko lang. Nya? 30 nga 25. Pili tayo ng santol guys. Oh. Hanga 25. Hanga 20. Hanga 25. Look at guys oh. This is santol. Ate said bangko. 25 na.
5 mo lang lang din like ka.
Hello. Hello
Subot ko pa.
Awa mo si subot na biti ko.
Ako na yung mga ulpit ko.
Pag pansigang ko lang. Kuma. Santol again, guys. Datalat tang arod man lang. Katantang. Pag
Kuya, ginawa ni Bamba.
nya.
Ay, 50.
Paiso. Napit 30 ka 25 ko 30 ko naman. Tawasaw ka.
30 sa kilo ko natatay.
25 ko na.
30 lot. 30.
Loko-loko ka talaga.
Oo, nasing puta. I'm not loka-loka.
So 30 yan.
Sobra na. Halos 25 mula na may di ba?
Nini, ate. Pangpalas yung kusinigang eh.
Ay, naima. Urapias.
Ayan.
Yung naima sa ato. Kasi ito ati tiraman.
Ano ba yan doon?
At sa gidiguna kat kumuraw pa. Basta. Kasi la sinigang sa miso.
Okay.
Bahin din lahat ng madam ko na kaming kanyam ko.
Ang gusto, 30 na to.
No? 25 bag
Nya.
na ako, 20 mga
Okay na.
Okay na.
Okay.
Hoy, dala din nagmo ni.
Tip mo datan. Ano ka swerte yan? Tayan mo yan 25. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Let's go, guys. We're gonna get fish. We'll be getting fish. And milk fish. I'll get to santol. So now we're going to fish section. get some fish. Over here. What? Hey guys, we got some milkfish. That one, I get that one. Where's that? Thank you. Okay guys, we're going to art na. Very good, very good. We're going to art. He's waiting over there. He's waiting over there. My husband. My husband patient. Patiently waiting. We're gonna eat santol this time, but we are having a shrimp paste. It's yummy. It's the santols. Looks yum. This is the seeds of the santols, guys, that I was removed from the meat of the santol because I'm using as my ingredients for my sinigang fish. Santol. Yum. Sour. Ooh. Delicious. I'll be cooking milkfish, guys. Sinigang milkfish. And Art, I'll be cooking him. That's the veggies, guys. Veggies that I'm going to put on my mix on my sinigang. This kangkong and alugbati. Alugbati in Tagalog. And this is kangkong. Okay. Yummy. Where are you at? We're gonna get the... where's my husband? We're at the back. We're making a table. My husband making a table. A center table, guys. I'm here under the papaya tree. This is the papaya tree. That's really a papaya tree, guys. There's a lot of branches now. 1, 2, 3, 4 branches. It's a big papaya tree. So I'm on the edge. You're here. You're the...
I'm going around here.
Okay.
Because you were standing there, I can't get around you.
Okay, guys. Wait a bit. We're just carrying a wood. Oh, this is heavy. It's heavy, guys. Wait.
Cut this at 45 or 60 because I got to cut this off. I need that squared off. So I'm going to cut that off. And then I'm going to come. The tabletop is 43.
Yeah, so put it na. Make a line na. So that we...
So we're going to take this off here. And I'm going to try to do this on the table.
Yeah, okay.
See.
The other one. Hi, I'm sweating na guys.
Let's see. It's going to be a little bit more, a little 48. That way I got to cut anything else off. I can cut it. And then I got to cut another one 48. So we'll cut this one first, then I can measure that one.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
We got to do the 2 cuts. I got to cut it and then flip it over and cut the other side. Because this will not cut. I didn't get a sliding saw.
Okay. We move first a bit this one here. Like that. Okay, that's fine. Wait for a bit kasi this one is noisy on cutting it. So we just cutting first the wood and then we brush it and yeah. That's it. Yeah, we're gonna use a tabletop on that. It's a temporary and extra table, center table.